Most new riders think upgrading their exhaust is pretty simple, but this is where a lot of people end up overspending because they spend it on something that they truly didn't need. If you've been looking at exhaust, you most likely are running across two options. You have the slip-on mufflers and you have the full exhaust systems. At the end of the day, both of them are definitely going to give you a better sound to your motorcycle, but both fundamentally do two very different things to your bike. So let's break it down in today's What's the Difference? Out the gate, let's keep it simple and talk about what it is you're actually changing. When you're talking about a slip-on muffler, this is pretty simple. The only thing you're changing out on your motorcycle is the muffler itself. Something like the Cobra Neighbor Hater slip-on mufflers are a great way to make your sound much more aggressive without changing much to the bike. Now, here's where it gets a little more nuanced. Not all slip-ons sound the same. You'll see different sizes, internal designs, and materials. And that all affects how the exhaust sounds. A shorter, smaller muffler is usually louder and sharper. A larger, longer muffler tends to give you a deeper, more controlled tone. So even within slip-ons, you're not just choosing volume, you're choosing the kind of sound you want. A full system, on the other hand, is much different. You're changing up everything from the headers on back. Something like the S&S Cycle 2-in-1 full exhaust system is going to change up entirely how exhaust flows out of your bike. You'll also notice different layouts when you start looking at full systems. The two most common are 2-in-1 and 2-in-2. A 2-in-1 combines both cylinders into one pipe. That usually gives you better performance and a more aggressive tone. A 2-in-2 keeps both pipes separate. That's more about classic Harley look and a balanced sound. This is the difference between I want the bike to sound better and I want the bike to sound like a completely different bike. Moving on, let's talk about how the bike feels. Its performance. This is where people start to expect more than they're actually getting. With a slip-on, you're not really changing performance in a meaningful way. You might feel a slight difference, but that's not what it's built for. With a full system, now you're actually changing airflow. That's where performance comes from. But when it comes to a full system, this is where most people start to miss. Because in order to feel the difference in the performance, the bike needs to be set up correctly. You see, this is probably the biggest mistake riders make. They install a full system and expect the bike to just run better automatically. But once you change how the air moves through the engine, the bike needs to be adjusted to match it. And this brings up probably the biggest mistake most people make when they're installing a full exhaust, and that is making sure their bike gets retuned. Without it, you're not getting the performance you paid for. In fact, you most likely are going to notice the bike isn't running right at all. So what you're really paying for is a bigger change in how the bike sounds and a bigger change in how the bike performs. Oh, and did we mention the time cost? Because it is going to cost you some time. Slip-on mufflers are pretty easy to install. They don't take much time at all to get on. Whereas a full system, we're tearing apart the entire exhaust system from the headers on back, plus the tuning that goes into it. It's a much bigger time investment on top of the cash you're putting behind it. The easiest way to choose between the two is deciding right now, what is it that you truly want? And if you're not completely sure yet, then start simple. Go with something easy to upgrade, something a little bit cheaper to upgrade, and when the time is right and you know what it is you want more, move on to the full system. At the end of the day, both of these are going to change your bike. One is a simple upgrade that's really only focused on sound, while the other is going to change the sound, but it's also going to change how your bike runs and performs. And knowing the difference is what's going to keep you spending money that you want to spend and not overspending where you shouldn't. Now, before we end this video, we'd be amiss if we didn't call out Baffles and their part in sound. That's the internal component inside the exhaust that controls airflow and sound. More restriction in the baffle means a quieter, smoother tone. Less restriction means louder, more aggressive. Some exhausts even let you swap or remove baffles to change how they sound. If you want to go deeper on that, we've got a full breakdown video on baffles, because that alone can completely change how your bike sounds. Now, when it comes to exhaust, Kirk has a wide variety for a whole range of motorcycles, especially Harleys, from the slip-on mufflers all the way to the full exhaust systems. The best part is we have an exhaust finder where you can enter your make, model, and year of your ride and get exact fit items for your machine. And if you need a little extra help, you can always give our DK Tech team a call and they'll point you in the right direction.